Hello, I'm Sophie D'Souza and welcome to my channel Sophie Stained Glass. If you're familiar with my channel, you know I'm usually in my workshop getting quite mucky doing some stained glass for you to watch. But today I'm making a video about a talk that's coming up on Ukrainian stained glass, and it's being given by my friend Oksana Kondratyeva, and I can't recommend it highly enough. She is a wonderful stained glass artist. I met her at Central St Martin's when we were studying architectural stained glass, and she has also got a PhD in architecture. She's a very clever lady, quite an academic, has written quite a lot, and has done a tour of Ukraine where she has documented, recorded, researched all of its stained glass, and she is the foremost expert in Ukrainian glass. Her talk is virtual, so you can all enjoy it wherever you are based. It's on the 19th of April, 6 till 7 British summertime, and all the proceeds go to the Ukrainian Relief Fund. So not only will you hear a really interesting talk and see some beautiful glass, but you'll be doing good, and I know we all want to find a way to help. The talk encompasses all sorts, really. So please forward it to your friends, because it's not just for people with an interest in glass, because it will cover architecture, sort of state buildings, vernacular buildings, ecclesiastical buildings, social context, history. You know, the Soviet influence in art obviously is strong. Yeah, I mean, really, it's quite far-reaching in its influences. So there'll be something in it for everybody. So if you have friends who are art or history or architecture lovers, please do forward it to them. The tickets are donation based, so whatever you feel like giving. And as Oksana says, we're stronger together. So please have a think about getting a ticket for Oksana's talk. I know you'll enjoy it. Thank you.